Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to start streaming on Twitch. First, go to twitch.tv and create an account if you don't already have one. Pick a username and password, then confirm your email. Next, download a broadcasting software. The most popular one is OBS Studio. It is free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Install it and open the program. In OBS, go to Settings, then Stream. Choose Twitch from the service list. You will now need a stream key. To get this, go back to Twitch in your browser, click on your profile icon, go to Creator Dashboard, then Settings, and choose Stream. Copy the primary stream key. Paste it into OBS. Now set up your scenes. A scene is what viewers will see. Add a video capture device for your webcam if you want to be on camera. Add a display capture or game capture if you want to show your screen or a game. You can also add an audio input to include your microphone. Adjust the sizes and layouts until it looks the way you want. When you are ready, click Start Streaming in OBS. Your live broadcast will begin on your Twitch channel. Finally, go back to Twitch and add a title, category, and tag so viewers know what your stream is about. That's all you need to start streaming on Twitch. Thanks for watching.